The first question is to understand what affiliate marketing is and why you should be doing it. So let's start with the concept. The concept of affiliate marketing is simple. You are selling a product or service for others. Being an affiliate marketer means you are selling other people's products and services to your email list for a commission. Yes, you are doing the marketing campaigns for other vendors' products to be sold to the public. In other words, affiliate marketing gives you the avenue to earn commissions through promoting other people's or other companies' products. You can start by choosing a product that you like, promote it in the most efficient way that you can, and make a sizable profit for your efforts. It's as easy as pie, right? Through affiliate marketing, you are able to accomplish three things for three different people. First, you are making yourself feel good for earning a commission. Second, you're helping a company or other people to gain new customers that they don't already have. Finally, you are making a new satisfying experience for your customers for discovering a product from you that can really be helpful and desirable. Let's make it clear. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. In fact, it can be done quickly with a profitable outcome without the need for a big email list to drive traffic to the offer. And it doesn't have to have a huge budget. So without having the need for those things, what should we have to make a profit from affiliate marketing? A sense of creativity and a good work ethic will take you a long way when you apply them to the proper strategies. Remember that you don't have to create your own product because someone else already did. Since you are not the one creating the product, you also don't need to invest your own time and effort in creating the product to sell. And since it's not your product, you don't need to provide any kind of support. If you are already committed to putting in a few hours to learn the proper strategies to stand out from the crowd, you can start promoting quality products as an affiliate and start earning commissions as soon as today. All you have to do is send traffic through your affiliate link to the product. Then just wait for the money to roll in. The next question is, how are you going to be paid out? The next question here is, how are you going to be paid out for sending all these new customers to the product creator? Selling products for other people means that you are earning for yourself as well without all the headaches of being a product vendor. So everyone who does affiliate marketing needs to have an affiliate link where all your payments and purchases are tracked. Then you get paid with commissions based on the number of sales. An affiliate network serves to work as the middleman between affiliates and the business affiliate programs. An affiliate network helps the website publishers or the affiliates to look for affiliate programs that are suitable for their website or following and participate in these programs for the purpose of generating income outside of their products. So the main role of these affiliate programs is to gain a larger audience by allowing other websites offering affiliate programs and do the promotion to all other affiliates or publishers participating within the affiliate network. Affiliate networks serve entrepreneurs in many ways, such as tracking technology, reporting tools, processing of payments, and connections to more affiliates and publishers. Now remember, the concept of affiliate marketing is simple. You are selling a product or service for another person. You don't need to create a product or provide support for it. Get your affiliate link, send traffic, and get paid. It's that simple. I'm going to leave you with a final quote. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. I'll see you in the next video.